your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
If you like spending time outdoors, tonight is the night to do it. Beautiful night across the city right now. Looking ahead to the next couple of days, however, many areas will be getting rain tonight. It's going to get colder and blustery and downright windy at times, and then snow is possible in the far north tomorrow. And when I say far north, I'm talking about mainly Highway 2 to the north. Might be a little bit south of that, but most of it's going to stay north. 62 degrees in the Magic City, and the wind is calm right now. In Williston, 46 degrees, and the north wind at 12 is making it feel like 41. Not much of a wind chill. I think you're going to notice the wind chills in the next couple of days, however. Right now, we have winds kind of different directions here. 10 to 15 miles an hour to the east and the south there, and a little bit less, but they're kind of all over the place. And when we look at the precision cast for tonight, actually a pretty nice night for the next several hours. Things are going to start changing tonight. In fact, by around midnight, and so obviously a little bit before, we're going to be seeing some possibly some moderate rain showers in the southern part of the state and just little bands of rain here or there. None of this is going to be heavy, but it is the beginning of the change. Now tomorrow, it looks like when you get up early in the day, most of the rain is going to be in the northwest and maybe Highway 2 to the north. All right, you can see it around Minot, but the heavier rain looks like it's going to be back over towards Watford City, around Williston, maybe Sydney. And then, look at this, at 12 noon, roughly, about Highway 2 to the north, that's snow. It's going to get colder, and it's going to be windy, so it's just not going to be pleasant. Now, there could be some rain in other areas as well, and then once we get to tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, it's still going to be blustery, but the wind will begin to die down. Now, tomorrow night, it's going to get a lot colder. Many of the temperatures tomorrow night will fall into the mid and possible upper 20s for the low. And then if it's breezy, we're talking about wind chills possibly in the teens when you get up in the morning. So it's going to be rather raw. Now, I want to show you a couple things here. One would be the snowfall forecast. And you can see this little band right here. The latest thinking is 1 to 3 inches here, and then maybe up to an inch in that area there. Other areas, and this is just through tomorrow. Other areas probably not. Thursday, Friday, we have a chance of more rain. So what I've done here is I have 2 forecast models that go out to Sunday. All right, so this is everything that starts from tonight until Sunday. There's some similarities and some differences. First off, notice how there's a lot of blue here, this shade of blue, that's ½ inch to an inch. Some areas a little bit more and a little bit less in the south. And the other model that I'm looking at here looks a lot different. All right, this looks like a lot more rain, except for maybe right at the city of Minot if this works out. But what is similar about this is the entire maps have a lot of color on them. And so we're going to get some soaking rain through Sunday. Just depends on when it gets here, and there could be some snow as well. The other thing, tomorrow morning when you get up, the wind will be out of the north, and watch how it picks up. Now, these are the sustained winds. 20, 25 mile an hour sustained wind. Some of the wind gusts could be getting closer to 40 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon. So tomorrow morning, early in the day, we're talking about 30s in the north, 40s and 50s to the south. And then by noon, you might even see the darker blue up here. Watch what happens in the afternoon. These temperatures may fall tomorrow afternoon, and it's going to be cooler late afternoon than maybe around noon. So that's kind of weird. And as we look at the next 7 days, numerous chances of rain, maybe some rain and snow. And right now we're looking at the potential for a storm of some type. Sunday night, Monday or Tuesday of next week. It's still real early. We don't have specifics yet, but something we really need to keep an eye on.